I'm going to talk for a moment about window management and then mouse settings in this video. Window management is the cool tricks that you can do with Windows on the desktop. We've already seen this Windows peek down here. I'm going to go ahead and go to it. I'm going to open two documents, the one that we're working with and a blank one. I'm going to grab the title bar and just kind of move it down. I'll grab this title bar and kind of move it down like that. If I bring this all the way over to the left, it will snap to fill half the screen. Now I'll click this one and all the way to the right, and it will snap to fill half the screen, so I can compare documents. If I grab one of these and push it all the way up to a corner, it will take a quarter of the screen. Down to this corner, it will take a quarter of the screen. I could do that with 4 different documents now if I wanted to. Let's bring this back to a partial screen like that now. And I want to show you something with unequal sizes. So I'm going to take this and snap it all the way over to the left, but this time I'm not going to leave it there. I'm going to make this smaller and then open up my other document, snap it to the right, and it will fill this larger space over here. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back to this document now, and we're going to look at the mouse. There we go, mouse settings. 3 different places that you might be able to mess with the mouse. Start settings devices, start settings ease of access, and then the control panel hardware and sound. So let's take a look at those 3. I'm going to go here, start, settings, devices, and down here I have a mouse option. Not much here. Which button, left, right, is the primary button. How many lines do I want it to scroll whenever I scroll the scroll bar? Scroll inactive windows when I hover over them. You used to have to use third-party software to do that. And now I can also go over to the second one that we were talking about, mouse and cursor size, which is in ease of access. So let me go back to home, ease of access, and cursor and pointer size. Now let's go back here for a moment to devices, mouse, and click this guy up here, adjust mouse cursor and size. You can see it takes me to that same spot. I'm going to back up again, and this time we have something called additional mouse options, and this one will take me to the control panel where I can set the mouse buttons, pointers, pointer options, speed, all that kind of stuff. Do I want it to snap to a grid, have pointer trails for visually impaired, and so forth. What you'll see here depends on the brand of mouse that you have and the driver that runs that mouse. That's it for now. We're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts in the next video.